Hi there and welcome back to the channel. The last couple of weeks I have been sharing some of my self-paced online classes with you, and today I'm going to bring you some more, but this time it's going to be a little bit different. I have been showing you classes on still life and food photography, macro photography and florals and more. Today I want to show you something a little more creative that doesn't actually involve your camera, although it could if you want it to. So let's jump in and have a look at mastering the mixer brush. So I'm once again on the class page. Now down the bottom, there's a couple of things I did want to point out. There is Lightroom one-on-one, and there's a whole heap of tutorials that I have put together over the years on Lightroom, but of course you can find all of these on my main photography channel at Julie Powell Photography. There's also a Photoshop one-on-one, so there's a whole heap in there. But what I wanted to show you today was a couple of different ones. So there is Master the Mixer Brush, where I run through how to use the mixer brush, and I'm going to show you a little bit more on that in just a minute. I also wanted to show you the mixer brush mini project. So if you've already done Master the Mixer Brush, or you've played with the mixer brush before, then why not check out these little mini projects? I give you everything you need to be able to create projects just like this, whether it's animals, birds, little landscapes or portraits. There's everything there that you can play with. Okay, so let's get back to Master the Mixer Brush. Now this is the course page. In this, I go through and explain how you can turn your everyday photos into something much more beautiful and creative with digital paintings. The class is broken up into different stages, and it is suitable for both beginners and advanced artists, although you do need a basic knowledge of using Photoshop. So there's lots of different projects and things in here. It goes through what's included, including learning the mixer brush, where the brush is, how to use it, and different ways to paint it. I discuss different options for tablets, pens versus mouse. I go through learning the best techniques that I use for painting skin, hair, fur, feathers and more. And I even go in and show you how to make your own brushes and your own backgrounds. So there's a lot in it. There are loads of different projects, and I supply everything that you need to create these projects. So there's step-by-step instructions, there's videos, there is a booklet that comes with it. There's loads of information that you can get, and you can use your own images or you can create with the images that I supply. It's up to you to use your imagination and create a little more. So there's 42 lessons. There's over 4 hours of video content. There's loads of different projects, from Safe Harbor, which is this one with this pelican. There's Teddy 2, which is this pussycat here. There's Old Tom, which is this rougher old guy here, and there is another one called the violin. So loads of projects. Each of these I go through, and you've got the image, the downloads, and I go through different edits, including speed edits. So if we wanted to have a look at a speed edit, just to see how it all came together.
Woke up this morning, sunshine on my face. Got a brand new product, it's a perfect place. Colors so vibrant, oh, they light up the day. In this glossy package, happiness on display. Oh, let's take a ride on this wave of delight. Every little feature shines oh so bright. With a smile on my face, I can't help but sing. This magic creation makes my heart take wing. Folk to background, dancing in my room, unwrapping the promise, so it's bursting with bloom from the touch of...
So that's a speeded up version of a speed edit. So it's double quick. But I have lots of different projects in there, and this master, the mixer brush, gives you everything you need to be able to create your own masterpieces from your own photos or even your own composites. So that's it for this week. I hope you have enjoyed the last few weeks of videos, just giving you a little bit of a tour of what you can expect within some of my classes, and I do have quite an extensive range of classes. I do hope to bring another one before the end of the year, but these things take time. So that's it from me, and I will see you next time on YouTube. Bye.